Our prayer is that the 1999 Constitution, as amended, Section 162, Subsection 2, made it very, very clear that 30% derivation belongs to the host community of Nigeria as a result of loss of fishing right, loss of farming right, and etc. But mistakenly, the former president, President Olusegun Obasanjo, gave 30% derivation to his party governors, the governors of the PDP, and since then, we agitated for the restoration of 30% back to us. And he decided creating the Socio-Economic Council for Coastal State. And the governors were asked to go back home to give what belonged to the host community to the host community by approving some percentage, by creating host oil and gas producing area development commission. That was done in Delta State, 50% to the host to the commission, and so forth and so on. But up to date, as I speak, here at the National International Conference Hall, is that we are yet to experience anything of 30% derivation with the landlord, the owners of the oil and gas. The money is used to develop state capitals. It is not to the not to those in the creek, not to those in the villages. There's no water for us to drink in the creek. There's no light, no school, nothing, no industry, no employment. So here we are saying that section, the Section 162, Section 2, should be amended and in favor of host communities, so that a host community commission should be created that can take care of the people of the Niger Delta, that can bring about development to the Niger Delta, can bring about industrialization, can bring about agriculture, that we can have a diversification from oil and gas to agriculture. So our summit is all about give us 30% derivation as it is in the Constitution. The Constitution did not say that 30% derivation should be given to any state government. It's just direct to the host community. The income of oil and gas is shared into 4 divisions. 30% to the host community. The remaining 87% is shared to federal government, state, and local government. Why taking what belongs to the host community, giving to the state or giving to local government? The local government are victim. It is not in the hand of the federal government. It's in the hand of the state governors. So Mr. President should make haste to remove the money and give it direct to the host community. Hence, a president made the mistake before Obasanjo. We have cried to our president because we know he's a well-disciplined man. He listens, have a listening ear. We cried to him December 2018, December 14. And on the issue of 30% derivation, and he promised to make sure that this money is given to us. Yeah, do I promise to give it back to us? So we are saying that we that sustain the economy of this country should be beneficiaries of our 30% derivation. It is illegal. It is unconstitutional. To us, it is an aberration that 30% derivation is given to governors, to language, without the host community. Give us our 30% derivation. God endow us with the oil and gas. Let us enjoy what God gave to us. The Constitutional Amendment is to amend the Section 162, Section 2, by giving directive that 30% derivation should be given direct to host community commission. That's the amendment we're asking for. Not to be given to the governors, but to the host community commission, so that we can manage our resources ourselves. Amendment of the Constitution is part of looking into it, but we believe, Mr. President, that if he give a word, his image sultan is bound by his word. So we are still looking up to God and to Mr. President to say that, all right, please give the host community their 30% derivation. Please give them their gas flood trust fund money, because we are asking for both gas flood and both 30% derivation.